and that is our Thai scrambled egg made. Hi everyone, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are going to make Thai scrambled egg. Breakfast time or any time, it doesn't matter. Thai scrambled egg is easy to make, light, delicious little meal. Let's show you the ingredients and then we'll crack on and make this Thai scrambled egg. Okay, so I have 4 medium-sized eggs in there. I've got garlic which I've already chopped up. I've got some tomato. Now what I've done, I've actually just skinned round with a knife and took the skin off. So I've got tomato and I've got some spring onions which I've just sliced across. Right, with it being a Thai scrambled egg then, I have a little bit of salt and I've got a little bit of fish sauce. Now the fish sauce is going to give flavour, the salt is actually going to give the saltiness. Now I know fish sauce has salt in, but you know we only want a little bit of each. We're going to go in with a little bit of sugar and we're going to give it a little sprinkling of white pepper. Now that's our ingredients, it's so easy. Let's crack on and show you how to do it. So in the pan, a little bit of oil. Now we're going to fry the garlic. Get a flame on. Get our garlic in. Now, not too hot. Brown with the garlic. A little bit of aroma out of the pan. A little bit of aroma out of the pan. We're not trying to brown this, and then we're going to go in with our egg. So in with our eggs. And what we need to do is we need to give them a little pushing around in there. That's all. So just give them a little pushing around. Now we are making scrambled egg, but you know, we want chunks of egg in there. So all it is nice and steady. Just give it a little push round. Let it set up, push it back through, and then repeat the process. Right, what we need to do, we need to go in with a little bit of salt. Now I'm not going to go in with too much, that'll do it. Just give that a little quick mix over in there. Now like we said at the start, the salt is for saltiness, you know. And we're going to put the fish sauce in for a little bit of flavour. In with a little bit of fish sauce. So we got about half a teaspoon in there. Let's have that stirred in. Now you can smell that fish sauce coming out of there already, but you know this is a Thai recipe. In with a tomato. Let's just give that a little quick stir around there. And then we want to be going in with a little bit of sugar. Now the sugar's going to, we're not going to try to make this sweet, but you know it's going to balance out the flavours of our fish sauce. Just a little bit there, look. Probably a quarter of a teaspoon, that's all. That'll do. In we go. Stir it up. This smells fantastic already actually. And look at the colours in there with that egg and that tomato. Just give it a little bit of a cooking. So with this type version of scrambled egg, what we're trying to do, we're not trying to have all that light, fluffy scrambled egg that we have in the Western world. You know, we want a little bit of crunch on there if we can. If we can get that little bit of browning on there, superb. Because then you're going to get the best of both worlds. It's going to be soft and you're going to have a bit of browning on there. Now we're getting that little bit of browning on there now, look, only a little bit. That's what we're trying to achieve. We want a little bit of colour on that egg. Tomatoes are starting to soften up, and you've got that really nice smell of that fish sauce coming out of there. Probably about another 30 seconds or something, we're going to chuck in the spring onions and give it a dusting of pepper. There we go, look, you're getting that little bit of browning on there. Now it's not much, but it's looking fantastic. That's about right, I reckon. We need to be chucking in our spring onions. In with our spring onions, all them in there. Give it a stir through, and then we'll give it a shake of a pepper over the top. Did I say that? Shake of a pepper. We'll give it a shake of a pepper over the top. A little bit of pepper, not much, but don't forget, pepper to your taste. Stir it in. After we've stirred it in, we'll turn it off. And that is our Thai scrambled egg made. How easy is that, guys? All we need to do now is serve it up. Just look at that. Now that is Thai scrambled egg made. Oh, you know, for all those people who worry about the taste of fish sauce, this doesn't taste of fish sauce. Delicious. Oh, Thai scrambled egg made. No, I'm eating off here, you know, just to show you, but you eat this with rice, you know, you could even be a little bit sneaky, and I suppose you could eat it with toast. But you know, the Thais will eat this with rice. Now, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff, and we'll catch you in the next video.